Hi everyone, this is Sophie and welcome to my channel PinkSugarCotton. Today I will be trying the new UV silicone mold maker from MiniatureSweet that I got a few days ago, and I must say I'm really excited to see how it works. The materials you will need are of course the UV silicone mold maker. They come in two separate bottles of part A and B, a measuring cup, a wooden stick, the container where you will be pouring the silicone, double-sided tape, the figurines for your mold, and a bigger recipient to mix the silicone. So first you want to measure whichever amount of silicone you need. I'm going to be mixing 30 milliliters of each part. And then I'm going to pour it into a bigger container so I can stir the mixture properly. I'm also using a wooden stick to remove any silicone excess from the measuring cup. Then just repeat the same process with part B. Since you can really see the difference between both components, you can just stir the mixture for about 2 minutes to make sure everything is incorporated. These are the pieces I picked to make my molds, but you can use any of your preference. To make sure your piece won't move during the curing process, use a piece of double-sided tape to secure it to the bottom of your container. Once you're all set, it's time to start pouring your mixture into each cavity. Keep pouring the silicone until your figurine is fully covered. You may notice a lot of bubbles in your mixture, but don't worry, they will eventually pop out and the ones remaining won't affect the result of your final mold. Now just let's set the mixture for about 24 hours until it's fully cured. Once the silicone is cured, it's time to remove our molds. Do it carefully and then remove the tape and the figurines as well. Here are all my molds ready to be used, so let's go ahead and do a test to see how they work. I'm going to pour some pink colored UV resin and then I will cure it using a UV lamp for about 5 minutes. If you see any bubbles on the surface, you may pop them out using a lighter. Once your piece is cured, remove it from the mold and you're done. Here's a close-up of the strawberry, and I think it came out amazing since the mold really picked up all the details of the original. Now I'm going to show you how the rest of the pieces came out. If your piece have any excess of resin, you can remove it with a nail file or small scissors. So that's all for this review. I really like this silicone because it was super easy to use and all the molds came out just perfect. If you want to try it, I'm going to leave you the link to the shop in the description box of the video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!